The flexibility of the Logos mobile app means you can set up your workspace to fit your needs. In fact, you may have multiple layout needs, like one for taking notes, another for studying the original Greek, and another one for sermon preparation. In this video, I'll help you customize your app to your study needs with mobile layouts. The Logos mobile app presents your open resources and tools in a series of tabs. Tap the tab view icon to see them all at once. Your current layout includes your preferred Bible, split with your notes, and linked with the Faith Life Study Bible on the right. You can save this customized notes layout for your future study. Tap the Layouts icon and select the plus icon. Provide a descriptive name, and tap Save. Let's create another layout designed for studying the original Greek. Remove the Notes split screen and swipe away the Faith Life Study Bible. Add a new split screen and explore your library for a Greek New Testament. You can filter to find what you need more quickly. Tap the filter icon and choose to display only resources in Greek. Tap Done to view your filtered results. Select the SBL Greek New Testament, and to ensure you can read it in the future without an internet connection, expand the Actions menu, view the book info, and download it to your device. Return to the tab view and tap either plus button to view your library and tools. This time, view your available tools and choose Bible Word Study. Repeat the same process and this time add the Notes tool. Drag the notes to the left so the Bible is in the middle and the tools are on either side. Finally, tap the link icon and link the ESV with the Greek New Testament so they scroll together. Once you set up a custom layout like this, you want to save it so you can quickly jump back in without having to set it all up again. Now, as you read the Bible text in the middle, your single finger swipe either direction from your notes or the Bible Word Study. As you study, you may decide you don't want to see the ESV. Drag the middle line to remove it. You can either save this structure as a new layout or swipe to update your Greek study layout. With a few customized layouts ready to go, you can quickly jump between them when your study needs change. This will close out your current tabs in favor of whatever layout you select. You can always recover recently closed tabs from the Layouts menu as well, even if they're not a group of saved tabs. The quickest way to jump into a saved layout is from the home page. Anytime you create a new layout, Logos adds it to your home dashboard automatically and syncs it to your other mobile devices. Now with 2 taps, you can move between translating a passage from the Greek to a fully customized set of tabs for your sermon preparation, ready with a linked commentary, notes, a study Bible, and your English text. Layouts personalize your study by letting you set up your workspace. Create your own layouts today to customize your Logos mobile experience.